Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to change your phone number in Okta Verify. So if you've changed your mobile number and need to update it for authentication, then just follow along. First, sign into your organization's Okta account using web browser. Then go to your settings or security method section. And if your organization allows self-service changes, then you need to look for your registered phone number and select edit or update. And enter your new phone number and complete the verification process by entering the code sent to your new device. If your company manages security settings centrally, you may not see the option to change your number yourself. In that case, you need to contact your IT administrator or help desk and ask them to update your phone number or reset your multi-factor authentication. After the update is complete, test a login to confirm your new number works correctly. So that was how to change your phone number in Okta Verify. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.